Learners, this is Manisha Tomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams. My dear students, hydrogen. Hydrogen is present in our atmosphere, in the water, in all the organic compounds. So today we will discuss some general concepts of hydrogen, where hydrogen is situated, isotopes of hydrogen, कैसे हम इसको प्रिपेयर करते हैं, कहाँ ये यूज़ होती है, क्या क्या इसकी केमिस्ट्री है. सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस इन शॉर्ट. समझने की कोशिश करना, सारे क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे इसमें. सिर्फ इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स अबाउट हाइड्रोजन. This is the part number 1, which is the shortest part, and it contains only important questions. So hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table and also the lightest element known, because it has one atomic number and one atomic mass. That's why it is lightest and smallest element in the periodic table. It has three isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. 1H1, 1H2, and 1H3. Preparation of hydrogen: we can prepare it in laboratory. When zinc is react with hydrogen ion, it gives zinc ion and hydrogen gas. Means when any reactive metal, when react with any acid, dilute acid, even then it all the metals gives hydrogen gas. This is the general method for the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory. At commercial level, it is prepared by the electrolysis of acidified water. High purity of dihydrogen is obtained by electrolyzing warm aqueous barium hydroxide. Now, water gas. What is water gas? This is also called syngas. This is the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas or syngas. Water gas shifts reaction. This is CO2 and CO, carbon monoxide gas. When react with water, it gives carbon dioxide and hydrogen in the presence of any catalyst. Properties of hydrogen: dihydrogen, that is, it has hydrogen HS bond dissociation enthalpy is highest for a single bond dissociation, because it is an single bond, sigma bond. Its dissociation is not easy. That's why it has highest electron bond dissociation energy. Two atoms of any elements. It relatively inert at room temperature due to the high bond enthalpy. Uses of dihydrogen: synthesis of ammonia, अमोनिया के प्रिपरेशन में यूज़ होती है. मैथेनॉल के प्रिपरेशन में यूज़ होती है. इन ऑक्सी हाइड्रोजन टॉर्च में यूज़ होती है. इन फ्यूल में यूज़ होती है, मीन्स फ्यूल सेल्स में. हाइड्राइड्स: आयनिक or salt like or saline hydrides are formed by the with most of the S block elements. Significant covalent character is found in lithium hydride, beryllium hydride, and magnesium hydride. Covalent or molecular hydrides are formed with most of the p block elements. These are further classified as electron deficient hydrides, like group 13 elements B2H6 diboranes. These are called Lewis acids because they are electron deficient species. Electron precise hydrides are formed by the 14 elements like methane. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच हाइड्राइड्स, प्रेसाइज मीन्स जहाँ पे बैलेंस्ड हो. नो रिचनेस, नो डेफिशिएंसी. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच हाइड्राइड्स have lone pair of electrons on central atom or molecule of the molecule. They are 15 to 17, 15, 16 and 17, means nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine यानी halogen group. They form electron rich hydrides like NH3, HF, H2, and they have high melting and boiling point due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. They form intermolecular hydrogen bonds, nitrogen, fluorine, and oxygen. That's why they have high melting and boiling point. Metallic or non-stoichiometric or interstitial hydrides are of D block and A block elements, which is present in the periodic table of the sand. In between P and S block elements are D, and in lower part of the periodic table are A block elements. These are potential sources of energy. Now we are discussing part 2, in which we are discussing about water. How hard water क्या होता है? The contamination or addition or presence of salts of calcium and magnesium in water. They may be bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, chlorides of calcium and magnesium, sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Such kind of water is called hard water, and of characteristic property of the hard water is called hardness. Hard water does not form lather with soaps. Soft water free from these soluble salts of calcium and magnesium. Hardness are of two types: temporary hardness, which is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, which can be removed by the simply boiling or by the Clark method. Permanent hardness in the presence of water is due to the chlorides and sulfates of calcium magnesium, and it cannot be removed by the simple boiling. So we are using some methods like Kelvin method, ion exchange method, except this zeolite method, soda lime process and all. Demineralized or deionized water free from the all soluble minerals salt is known as demineralized water. Now second, hydrogen peroxide, which is a very important by electrolytic oxidation of acidified sulfate solution at high current density. 2-methyl ethyl anthraquinone से हाइड्रोजन peroxide बनाई जाती है, which is a oxidizing agent. Now, physical properties. Miscible with water in high all proportions. 30% of hydrogen peroxide plus is marked as 100 volume of the hydrogen peroxide. Chemical property, it is oxidizing agent. ये वर्क करती है रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की तरह भी. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट आयरन को ऑक्सीडाइज कर देती है फेरस को फेरिक में. रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट MnO2 को रिड्यूस कर रही है Mn2 पॉजिटिव में. स्टोरेज स्टोर की जाती है वैक्स लिंक्ड ग्लास और प्लास्टिक वेसल्स में डार्क में. यूरिया कैन बी एडेड एज ए स्टेबलाइजर इन दिस. इट इज़ केप्ट अवे फ्रॉम द डस्ट. कहाँ यूज़ होती है? एंटीसेप्टिक की तरह यूज़ होती है. सोल्ड इन द मार्केट बाय द नेम ऑफ परहाइड्रोल, and it is synthesis of hydroquinone as a bleaching reagent also used. Here are some questions. We will discuss all the questions in our next video. So thank you so much my dear learners.